Hi there. Have you ever wondered what to do if you've been fired, or wonder what to do if you think you've been perhaps fired? I'm Kevin Marshall. I've represented employees and employers in their employment-related matters for the past 20 years. And I'm going to take you through the steps you need to do to protect your rights. I've created a cheat sheet, which I'd love to share with you. And here's what the cheat sheet has. If you've been fired, I'm going to tell you what you definitely will get for sure, and what you usually get in almost every case, such as termination pay and perhaps severance pay. I'll talk about the only exception to that, which is willful misconduct. I'm also going to talk about what happens if you negotiate with your employer to get a better severance package, because you don't want to accept the first offer that they make to you. I'll talk about how to add in issues like harassment issues, toxic work environment, perhaps some ongoing harassment, health and safety issues, those type of things. I'll also talk about some of these exceptions, like let's say your employer alleges that you've been fired for cause. What to do in those kind of situations. Maybe there's some constructive dismissal, which means the employer has changed things for the worse. What are those type of situations and how are you going to deal with that? And I'll also mention about your only duty as an employee, which is to look for work. In all these cases, when you bring a claim against your employer, I'm going to remind you that you have 2 years to bring a lawsuit against your employer relating to being fired, relating to being harassed, relating to toxic work environment. So if you're interested, please feel free to click below. We'll send you a video. You can get the cheat sheet as well. There's no charge, and feel free to share it with your friends and family members. Thanks.